Class 2 English. Okay, now we'll do the woman and her fat hen, unit 4, section 2. Section 2. Now see, the woman and her fat hen. In a small village there was an old woman. In a small village there was an old woman. She was very simple but greedy. She had a big fat hen that laid her a fine egg every day. One egg every day. That laid her a fine egg. That means one egg every day. Very good. Okay, big size one, a fine egg every day. She was the envy of all the other women in the village. All the other women was jealous of this lady, of this woman. Okay, uh, she was the envy of all the other women in the village. Their hens were lazy. The other women's hens were very lazy, nor did they lay egg so nice and large. Okay, nor did they lay egg or not so nice and large. Okay, but after some time the old woman got an idea. After some time the old woman thought of an idea. Now, why not 2 eggs a day? He thought, why not the hen will give me 2 eggs a day, just one egg at a time. Just instead of one egg at a time, she is giving, the egg is giving one egg. So not of one egg, the old woman want 2 egg. I will give my hen more corns. I will give her to eat more food, to eat corn. Perhaps then she will lay 2 eggs a day instead of just one. Then she will lay more eggs, 2 eggs a day instead of one. So this woman fed her big fat hen with more and more corn. So this woman gave her hen to eat more and more corn to eat. She stood by and made the hen eat it all up. Okay, she used to stand by the side, and the hen, until and unless the hen used to finish all the corn, she used to stand, okay, by the side, and she used to force the hen to egg all. This made the big fat hen bigger and fatter. Okay, this made the big fat hen bigger and fatter. Okay, she stood by the side and made the hen eat all the corn that she gave. Okay, this made the hen bigger and fatter. She became thoroughly lazy then, because the hen became very fat. Now he became very lazy. She cannot move. She refused to get up and walk about the yard. She refused to get up and walk also in the garden. In the yard means in the lawn. Okay, now she stopped laying even one egg. She stopped even laying whatever egg, one egg was she was laying every day. She stopped laying that also. The villagers laughed happily. All laughed at the woman very happily. The woman's hen had stopped laying egg altogether. This woman's hen have stopped laying the one egg also. She had spoiled what was good by her greed. Now she was spoiled. Whatever she was getting, she has spoiled that also. Okay, he made the hen eat so much and became so fat that he became lazy. That she became lazy. The hen became lazy and had stopped laying one egg also. Okay, so whatever we get, we should be happy with this. What is the moral of the story? Whatever we get, we should be happy with that. We should not be greedy to get more and more things. Okay, now question answers. How many eggs did the hen lay? One. How many eggs? One egg. What did the old woman fed the hen with to get more egg? The old woman, corn. Corn. Number 2 will be corn. Number 1, number 2, corn. What did the hen become? How did the hen become bigger and fatter? The hen became bigger and fatter by eating all the corns that the woman gave to eat. Okay, the hen became bigger and fatter. See, this made the hen bigger. The hen became fat by eating all the corns that the woman gave to eat. Okay, by this he became bigger and fatter. What happened to the hen when she ate more? The hen stopped laying. Laid 2 eggs, started giving more eggs. Laid only one. No, stopped laying eggs. Number A. Number 4 is number A. What happened to the hen when she ate more? Stopped laying eggs. Was the old woman greedy? Yes. State true and false. The hen laid many eggs every day. False. Number 1. The hen was small and weak. False. The woman was not happy when the hen laid only one egg a day. True. The woman was jealous of all the other women. The woman was jealous of all the other women of the villagers. False. The woman was not jealous. All the other women in the villages were jealous of the woman. So number 4 also false. The woman was jealous of all the other women in the village. False. So number 3 to all the other are false. Okay. for today this much. Thank you.